This is a 2011 Toyota Camry. It has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has less than 71,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.